Welcome everyone. Today I will presenting the JBL commercial microphone. Hello friends, I am Mojaffar and all of you are watching my YouTube channel Mulla's Update World. Let's review it. The JBL commercial CSLM30B Omnidirectional Lavalier battery power microphone with headphone-out for the content creation with black color. This microphone has many features. Omnidirectional Lavalier microphone with 3.5 mm TRRS jack, perfect for video recording, podcast, interviews, blogging, etc. Headphone output for smartphones, tablets, laptops, desktop, etc. Minus 10 decibel gain reduction, comfortable with smartphone and most DSLR cameras, can be used with mixer amplifiers. Some specifications are here. Frequency range 60 Hz, cable length 4 meters. This microphone weight at 47.3 gram. Let's open this box. Oh. So there we go. This is what you find inside this particular box. Firstly, we are getting 2 coupons for this particular microphone JBL, and this is the carry pouch that has the cloth pouch and that has mic inside. Most stuff here, some silica gel. So first off, let me show you the cloth pouch. This is the cloth pouch from JBL. This particular mics come in this particular pouch. This is the nice touch. It will make it easy to carry this particular device. Around in this pack we have some assorted stuff. This is a 6.35 mm amplifier adapter. This is a nice touch for when you have a port which generally has much larger port. You can see this particular adapter and then use and generally has larger port. You can use this particular adapter to and then use and then connect this particular mic to it like so and use it. And that mic, that is a nice touch. What other stuff do you find inside the particular packets? This is the clip for attaching the mic. There should give your tails. Look there. You go. This is a clip for attaching the mic to any surface, primarily a cloth surface. Now this is a 76 ELA44 battery. that you can see a very tiny one. And finally we have a windshield for the mic itself. Now take a look at the mic. This particular Lavalier mics come with a windshield and a clip as well. Windshield and attached clip as well. You can see this particular mic comes with a headphone. .5 jack, single headphone. So basically these are the extra thing. That's great touch. This is where you insert the battery. Basically this switch basically control audio port 0 to -10 decibel gain reduction. Over here their switch that is basically say off for smartphone, and then over here written cameras, which means it's on. The idea it that when you connect it to a camera, this particular device and operates on a battery. This is where the battery goes in. Let me just show you know the battery goes in for when you are using it with a camera. Then the battery, then it comes battery operated. However, when you connecting it with a smartphone, just by inserting the 3.5 to the smartphone. Finally, the cable is really long, and I am going to open this 4-meter long cable, and that's it. That is what you find inside the box containing the JBL commercial CSLM30B battery powered Lavalier microphone. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel Mullah's Update World. Thank you, take care and goodbye. See you soon.